Woo, look at this bike. Hey guys, welcome to the Gaza Performance Garage. I am Mr. Gaza, and today we will be changing out the front rotors of Lexi. Lexi was due for an upgrade on her front rotors because she had the stock LS400 rotors. And the rotors, the fitment specs on this, it came off of a 1995 LS400, okay? I will be replacing the stock rotors with multi-hole, which is drilled rotors. Let me get one and show you. Here you see, guys, we have here a drilled rotors. They're not slotted, they're just straight up drilled. And these are zinc coated, so basically there won't be no rusting going on here. It would just get discolored. So what I'll do is go ahead and take off the old ones and put the new ones. And with that said, guys, listen, if you're not a subscriber to the Gaza Performance Garage, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Every subscription helps with this growth of this channel, and also with the improvements of all of our cars. Okay, with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let's go ahead and get to work. Very beautiful piece. I love this color. Well, shut on my rack to wipe it down. Oh, here we go. I love this color. It's not very eye-catching or pop or whatever, but it looks so clean. This color, it looks amazing. I love it. I love it. All right, so let me go ahead and get these off. Those out. Out, take this out, that's out. The brake pads look pretty decent. Be sure to open the reservoir when you're doing this, because you don't want to put too much pressure on that master cylinder, and it will put too much pressure, push the brake fluid behind the plunger, and it goes right into your booster. Go ahead and get my brake caliper hangers. What I'm trying to do here is to take the caliper off so I can remove this. Once that is removed, I change the brake pads because I have some carbon ceramic brake pads. We'll replace them with. Ready? Wow, these are still good. Huh. Yep. I'll replace them. Now because I'm working with brake parts, I'll put my mask on so I don't breathe in any of that brake dust, which can be very dangerous to your lungs. I'm going to go ahead and get to work and turn the fan on, and you're going to hear too much noise, so let's get to work. Hey guys, yes, thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate took the time out to see how you could just simply change the rotor and a brake pad on a Lexus Sc400, which is so simple. These rotors and calipers are not from the Lexus Sc400. It is from the 1995 LS400, which is a four-door saloon, which carries more weight. That's why it's so big. The brakes have to be so big. But then, with that said, guys, listen, it was so simple, so easy. This is such a short video. I just want you guys know to, I really appreciate that you took the time out to watch this video. And all my OG members, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your love and support. Also, if you are not a subscriber to the Gaza Performance Garage, please hit that subscribe button, and also the notification bell, turn it on as well so you can see all the new videos, which are very informative. As I said before, I am Mr. Gaza, and thank you very much for your time. And always remember, peace, love, and happiness.